Tun A is not a professional health worker, but he's the best option this community's got. Trained by an aid organization in basic medical care, he fills a much-needed gap. The last time doctors visited this camp in Myanmar's Rakhine state was nearly 2 months ago.
They only spent an hour here. They said they didn't have enough time. They only saw 10 of the 50 people waiting to see them.
The people here were forced to leave their homes after anti-Muslim riots swept through the state 2 years ago. They've been moved to this camp, built on marshland, reachable only by boat. The aid organization Doctors Without Borders used to provide a regular mobile health clinic, but it was ordered out of the state in February after officials accused it of favoring Muslims over Buddhists. The lack of medical care and living conditions mean that even treatable diseases like diarrhea can be deadly.
The monsoon season brings an additional danger. The muddy walkways become slippery. The waters deeper than they appear. People in the camp tell us that in early June, 2 children drowned on their way to school.
One of them, an 8-year-old boy, was Zorullah's son.
I don't let my kids go to school on their own now. I don't allow them to stray too far from the house either.
More than 140,000 people throughout Rakhine state have been displaced. Most are Rohingya, an ethnic minority the government doesn't recognize. They're subject to severe restrictions and are not allowed to leave the camps. The government says it's for their own protection.
The most important thing is security. The government is providing that to both communities, but the anger is still burning. If we put the two communities together, riots may break out again.
Aid agencies distribute food and other supplies, but the rations are meager. The more resourceful ones supplement their diets with whatever they can. But not much can grow here. With little else they can do, many are left dependent on aid and on the goodwill of a government that doesn't want them. Florence Louis, Al Jazeera, Nechong Camp, Rakhine State, Myanmar.